I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you have a little jumper who loves to play but you want to make sure they're safe, then you should check out this climb and slide 7-foot trampoline from Tikes. What I love about this awesome trampoline is all of the really great safety features. Of course, the best feature, it's a big trampoline. What kid doesn't love just jumping, falling, playing, but this does it in a safe way. I don't have to worry about my little one pinching his hands on the metal springs because they have this awesome safety pad. What I really love about the safety pad is it's nice and thick, and also you can't access it from the inside where the trampoline portion is. So no worries about any fingers getting pinched. I also really appreciated the foam that went around all of the poles on the outside. So all of the metal on this trampoline is completely covered, which helps really reduce the injury. But it's also really fun to get on and get off of. It comes with a little climber and a slide, which really just adds to the excitement of the trampoline. I also like that it is completely enclosed in with the netting. This makes somebody like me, a worrier, feel confident and safe that my son isn't gonna just bounce off the trampoline. This is the perfect starter trampoline in my opinion, especially for those little ones who you might want to have a little bit of extra protection. I'm so happy with this trampoline from Tikes. It gives my son a place that he can jump around in, have fun, be silly, be crazy, but also gives me peace of mind because it gives him a safe space to do all that. But that's just my point of view.